Hello guys, welcome back to MAMIDALA Chronicles, and today I bought an electronic keyboard from Amazon and it is somewhat of for 1400 rupees. And to get more videos of like this type of videos, please subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment. So let's see our box and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. So let's cut it out and see what's inside it. This cover is too sticky, right? So let's cut it out. It is too hard to take it out and this of many layers. So it's coming. And then here we go. We got it. So let's take it out and open the box, and we'll get a adapter and a microphone with it. I have got it after 2 or 3 days. Came pretty fast. So let's see the specifications. 54 standard recording keys, tremolo single finger chords, insert, record, rock, 16 kind of volume, 32 kind of speed control, 10 different voices, 10 different rhythms, and etc. It works with cells and even of adapter, that is DC and AC. So let's take it out. We find a microphone, and one side of this keyboard will find a microphone. So we'll find a bag so that we can carry it to any place, but they didn't give a cover for that keyboard. So let's take it out. Here we go. We have got an adapter. So let's see. Nice. Portable. Let's keep it aside and take a look at the microphone on the other side. So here we go. There is a microphone used for singing with keeping the background music by the keyboard or playing something on the keyboard by singing. Nice, useful. So let's keep it aside and see our next keyboard. Here we go. We have got a keyboard, and let's keep it aside. Take a look at it. We have found many features, something like volume, stop, or record, or replay, learn. On that side we'll find a manual. So let's take out the cover and take a closer look at it. Here we'll get a manual. It will be in China and also in English. Here we have got the adapter socket to keep the adapter, but it will not fit, just for convenience. They have given it. We can fit batteries in it also by taking out the screw which is there on it. So let's take out the screw, and here we go. We have got it. We have 6 batteries in it involved, and we have to keep all 6 batteries for 9 volts. That is 6 into 1.5 volts, which is just 9 volts battery is needed to run the keyboard. So let's take the upper look. So where is it? We can find M-5486. 54 keys, digital electronic keyboard, power, its power button, and 6 demos. Rudolph the Red Rose, Jingle Bells, Osunas, the Little Brown Jug, volume, stop, and there is a digital display, tempo, tone page, sync, fill-in, demo, and there are 10 timbres: piano, bass, organ, mandolin, trumpet, guitar, violin, balloon, flute, and music boards. There are somewhat smelling mistakes, but we should ignore them. There might be a mistake in printing. So demo, learn, rhythms, drum mode, replay, record, demo, learn, something like that. We'll find a speaker, 2 speakers, but there only one speaker function. Other speaker is dummy, that is fake. Here we'll get notations to identify the notes. Something like 3, 2, 1, C, A, B, C, G, C, D, E, F. The left speaker will be word and the right speaker is fake. So this is the keyboard. Let's try to play it. So here I have on the keyboard and tuning. I kept it in bass